Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be another hair install. I got this new wig from WestKissHair. I have worked with them before. I really like their wigs. I love how full the densities are. This is 250% density and I just opted, I really wanted to just some really simple, sleek, black hair. If you know me, you know I don't usually rock straight hair for very long. I have a wig like this similar already, but it was a 5x5 and this is a 13x6, which is perfect. So obviously I can put it behind my ear, put it up if I wanted to. So the 5x5 wasn't as practical, but it's a lot easier to apply, a lot easier to maintain. I'm gonna show you how I install it. Very, very quick, very easy. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Ignore my nails, I have not got my nails done. I'll just have music playing. I'm not going to be speaking in this video. The lace is HD, which makes it so much easy to lay down, no issues. Like I said, I'm going to list everything I use just to get my hair like this. Very, very easy, quick maintenance, and I love the hair so far. I could probably get this hair even flatter, but this is it so far. So I'm going to go straight into the video. Sleek. This is literally like one of my quickest installs. Like I said, just all I have to do was straighten it, apply, all I have to do is lay the frontal and then just straighten the hair. So I absolutely love this. WestKissHair, so far working with them, have really good hair, and I love the density of their wigs too. Definitely check them out. I will list everything in the description box as usual, and yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.